log of 16 to the base 4 is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. How we can read the logarithm number? Log of 16 to the base 4 is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. I want to write this as an exponential form. How we can write exponential form? Okay. How we can write an exponential form? Okay. Identify the what is the parts of the logarithm? What are the parts of the logarithm? Log number base power. What is 16 number? 4 is the base. 2 is the power. 2 is the power. Okay, while writing exponential number, what is the basic form? Base raised to the power. Base raised to the power equal to number. Base raised to the power equal to number. Base is what here? 4. 4 whole power. Power what is here? 2. According to this form. 2 equal to 16. Equal to 16. One more example we can learn. Okay. Log 1000 base 10 equal to 3. Log of 1000 to the base 10 equal to 3. Now we can write an exponential form number. Exponential form number we can write number 1000 here, base 10, power 3. Power 3. Now write the exponential form. Base raised to the power. What is the power here? Power place 3 is there. So we write 3 equal to. What is the result number? 1000. 100. Okay, this is the basic concept while converting the logarithm number to exponential number to logarithm number. Just we have to remember this form. Then we can write very easy. In exponential chapter we learn some formulas. What are the formulas? A power m into a power n. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Like some formulas we learned. Similarly, these are the exponential. Some more formulas are there, but we don't need now. Okay, just how to remember. Exponential laws we learned in previous class. Similarly, some laws of logarithms also there. Okay, shall we see those? Laws of logarithms. Laws of logarithms. Okay, whenever if you go for the laws of logarithms, we have to remember what is the a power 0 value. A power 0 equal to 1. A power 0 equal to 1. Write this in logarithm form. A power 0 equal to 1. Write in logarithm form. Okay, base power number. That means log power number base a equal to 0. That means a power 0 equal to 1. Already we know in exponents. By using this one we can write a logarithm. Log of 1 base a is equal to 0. One more. A power 1 equal to a. A power 1 is equal to a1. 2 power 1 equal to 2. 7 power 1 equal to 7. So write this as also in logarithm form. What is the base here? A. What is the power 1? What is the result? A. That means log result in what is a base what here? A that is equal to 1. Okay, while doing a simplification we will use these two laws. Log of 1 base a equal to 0. Log of a base a equal to 1. Okay, here base is always hard to take a. No. Okay, we use commonly 10 here. Okay, whenever base is there or not, we can gradually we are taking 10. If you take log 10, log 10, some number is there, x. This is called the common logarithm. Instead of 10, sometimes we may use e also. This is not in our 10th class. Only base 10 only we can do. Whenever base is not there, that is taken as a 10. Then 10 is called the common base of the logarithm. Now next another one. Two laws are here. Okay, one more law we can add. One more law, third one. Log xy, log of xy base a equal to log x base a plus log y base a. This is the one of the important exponent logarithm log. Okay, how we can prove this one? We can once observe one look at the solution. Okay, first we have to take let we have to take any two exponential numbers. A power m equal to x. A power m equal to x. Another one a power n equal to y. A power n equal to y. Write the logarithm form for the two numbers. Two exponential numbers. Logarithm form we have to. Okay, log. I want to write logarithm form. Log. What is the result here? What is the number? X. Log x. What is the base here? A. Equal to m. Equal to m. Similarly, this one also we have to convert into the logarithm form. Log. This log only we can read logarithm. Okay, by writing log only is right. Okay, log. What is the number here? Y. What is the base here? A. Equal to power n. Now we can multiply these two. Okay, up to these two part only have to take. X into y. X into y. Okay, x into y equal to, now I want to multiply these two only. X into y equal to a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n. X into y, xy only. A power m into a power n. Already we learned exponential law. Laws of exponent. A power m into a power n. Whenever bases are equal. Whenever bases are equal, add exponents. Add exponents. Okay, that means a power m plus n. A power m plus n. Okay, now we can write the logarithm form for this one. Write the logarithm form log. Here we have to take, this is the log a power, a is raised to the power equal to number this one. Okay, that means we can write logarithm form log number base a equal to m plus n. Equal to m plus n. Okay, now m plus n. Now we have to use these two in this form. We have to use these two in this form. Instead of m, write this one. Instead of n, write this one. Instead of m, log x base a. Instead of n, log of y base a. Log of y base a. That means we can write log a, log xy of base a, log of xy to the base a equal to m. M instead of what we can write? Log x base a plus n instead of log y base a. That is our explanation here. Logarithm law. Laws of logarithm. What is the log of xy base a equal to log x base a plus log y base a. Okay, this is the basic law for the logarithm sums. Okay, similarly, some more laws are there. Up to now we learned three laws. Okay, what is the three laws? Log 1 base a equal to 0. Okay, next another one. Log a base a equal to 1. Another one. Log x y base a equal to log x plus log y. These three laws we learned. Similarly, some more laws are there. What are those? Log x by y base a equal to log x by y base a equal to log x minus log y. Log x base a minus log y base a. Okay, by writing these two formulas, some students may get confusion. No need to get confusion. While multiplication is there, addition will come. While multiplication is there, addition will come. While multiplication is there, addition will come. While division is there, x by y. Okay, then we will get subtraction. Okay, x by y, we will get a subtraction. Already in basic divisions we will say repeated subtraction is a division. Repeated subtraction is a division. Repeated addition is a multiplication. Repeated multiplication is a multiplication. No need to confuse this one. While multiplication is there, we will get plus. While division is there, we will get a minus. Okay, one more rule. A power log n of base a. Here base a, logarithm base a. What is the number here? N. Then the solution equal to n. Okay, directly remember this one. No need solution for this. Okay, basically these have to remember the formulas. Okay, now we will learn some sums related to the logarithm. Okay, in page number 21. Okay, in exercise models also here we have to cover. Okay, from page number 21 in textbook, page number 21. In page number 21, what is the problem? They try this. In page number 21, try this. What is the first one? Find the value of find the value of log of 32 to the base e, base 2. Log 32 base 2. Okay, in previous I told we have to take 10 here. That means any number not given, you have to take common logarithm base 10. If logarithm base is given to you, that only you have to consider. No need to write, to arrange this one, don't write 10. Okay, now I want to find out the value of this one. How we can do it? Okay, this one we can do in two models, but our convenient, I convert this one into the exponential form. I will convert into the exponential form. First, assume this answer is equal to some number. First, I want to assume. Solution: let log 32 to the base 2 equal to x. Write the exponential form for this one. Write exponential form for this one by writing exponential form. By writing exponential form. Okay, for this, what is the basic form? We recall that one. What is the basic form? Log number base equal to power. Okay, this is the basic logarithm form. We told is basic. That one we have to write the exponential form. Exponential form means base raised to the power equal to number. That means log 32 base 2 equal to x. That means here number 32 base 2 power n x. Write this one. 2 base power n x. They equal to 30. Simply remember, just change these two places. Remove the logarithm base 2, write it. Simply change these two places. Okay, if you did not remember the basic form. Now 2 power x equal to, take factorization for the 32. By which table you have to take factorization? Which number you got here? 2. Okay, that only base you have to maintain here. Okay, 2 only you have to take. So 32 take factorization. 2 16 years. 2 16 years 32. 2 8 years. 2 8 years 16. 2 4 years. 2 4 years 8. 2 2 years 4. 2 1 years 2. That means 2 is repeated how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. That means we can write it 2 power 5. 32 we can write as the exponential form of 2 power 5. Okay, whenever bases are equal, we equal the exponents. Whenever exponents are equal, we equal the bases. That means we can from this one x equal to 5. X equal to 5 is the solution. That means log of 32 base 2 equal to 5. Log of 32 base 2 equal to 5. One model this one. Okay, next in this one is second model. In the Roman only. Second one, log root c base c. Log root c base c. For this we want to write find the value of the logarithm. Okay, first assume that is equal to some value number. Okay, log root c base c equal to x. Root c base c equal to x. Write exponential form. By writing exponential form. Okay, now write the exponential form. What is the log number base power? Okay, first write base. Base is c. What is the power here? X. Okay, we have to recall this one. Okay, root c. Okay, root c means power is 1 by 2. C power x equal to c power root means the square root that one. That means we can write exponential 1 by 2. exponent we can write as 1 by 2. Okay, root any number not there means that is taken as exponential form 1 by 2, exponent power 1 by 2. Now see where so both having the same basis. Now we can write x equal to 1 by 2. X equal to 1 by 2. That means what we can write? Log root c base c equal to 1 by 2. Okay, this is one model. Next another model we will then same. Third one what there is? Log, find the value of log 0.01 base 10. Find the value of third question in that Roman only. Try this. Find the value of log 0.001 base 10. Okay, find the value for this one. First assume that one that is equal to some numerical value. Solution: let log 0.01 base 10 equal to x. Write the exponential form for that one. Write the exponential form. Write the exponential form for this one. Base number power. Base power number. Base power number. Okay, now 10 power x equal to. Okay, with this is we can write as 0.001. We can write as fraction form 1 by 1 beside. Point of how many days are there? 3 days are there. 1 by 1000 we can write. 1 by 1000 means 1 by 1000 we can write as base 10. We have base 10 is there. So write base 10 only. 10 power 3 you can write. 10 into 10 into 10. 1000 we will get. If you take 1 by 10 power 3, if you take 10 power 3 towards the numerator part, it will become 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3. Actually, this is the process. We want to get the exponential form for this one. We have to remember 0 after point is there. 0, 0, 1 like that is given to you. Write the 10. Okay, keep here minus. Keep here minus. Whenever 0 point after some digits are there. 0, 0, 1 like that. Okay. Only 0, 0, 1 only there, you can write directly. Otherwise, you can do the process like this. Okay, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Here, write 3. Okay, 10 power minus 3. When bases are equal here, x equal the exponents. X equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3. That means log 0.01 base 10 equal to minus 3. Okay. Okay, we learn this one. Okay, one thing we forgot that one. What is the definition for the logarithm? Logarithm definition. Whenever if definition it is if a power x equal to n. If a power x equal to n, then logarithm form is log of n base a equal to x. Whenever in basic definition for the logarithm, if a power x equal to n, then log of n base a equal to x, where a comma n are positive numbers, positive integers. A comma n are positive integers. A comma n are positive integers. And a is not equal to 1. A is not equal to 1. A is not equal to 1. This is the basic definition for the logarithm. If a power x equal to n, then logarithm form is log of n to the base a equal to x. A n are positive integers and a is not equal to 1. A is not equal to 1. Okay, one more model related to that one. Find the value in page number 21 only. Find the value. Fourth question. Find the value of log 8 by 27 2 by 3. Base 2 by 3. Log 8 by 27 in 2 by 3. Okay, this model only in first one exercise 1.5 exercise 1.5 full first one this model only. Okay, find the value of the following logarithms. What is that one? Okay, we have to equal the first let log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3 equal to x. By writing exponential form. By writing exponential form. By writing exponential form. Okay, write the exponential form. What is the log number base power? Log number base power. Base 2 by 3. 2 by 3 power x equal to 8 by 27. 8 by 27. That means 2 by 3 whole power x equal to 8. We can write as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 27 you can multiply as 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Actually we have to take factorization like this. Okay, 2 4 is 2 2 is 27 also same only. 3 9 is 3 3 is. Write the exponential form for this one. Okay, 2 by 3 whole power x equal to 2 power 3, 3 power 3. For this we can write it as, how we can write this one? 2 by 3, 2 by 3 whole power x equal to 2 by 3, 2 having the exponent 3 only, 3 having the exponent 3 only. So we can write 2 power 3 whole power 3. Whenever bases are equal, we equal the exponents. X equal to 3. X equal to 3. This is the